Meanwhile, developing news on Long Island, suspected Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann back in court for a hearing on Long Island today, with prosecutors and the defense both speaking out after court. Fox 5's Jodi Goldberg joins us live from Riverhead with a breakdown of Heuermann's appearance today. Jodi, what do you know?
Bianca, it's a very slow-moving case. Let me just point that out. It's slow because there's a lot of information that both sides have to sift through. Now, two key factors discussed today: DNA evidence and whether it should be used in the trial. Another thing, 7 murders Heuermann is tied to, whether those cases should be tried together. Now, Heuermann stood before the judge. It was a very short conference this morning. As we've reported, the prosecution's case is based in part on that DNA, specifically from hairs on 6 of the women that are linked to him or his family. The district attorney wants to use that DNA to prove Heuermann is in fact responsible for the murders, but his attorney continues to argue this type of DNA has never been used in a New York State court before, and it should stay that way because it's not accurate. He also says his client maintains his innocence, and he's pushing to separate the cases to get a fair trial.
Each case has to be proved with the elements beyond a reasonable doubt. That's the law. That's the requirement, and that's what the judge will tell the jury. The danger of having count after count, victim after victim in the same trial is that smoke, there's fire mentality. They shouldn't be tried together.
It's not new technology. It's used in all of our everyday lives. It's used in medical, forensic, paleontology, identifying war dead, identifying 9/11 remains, all of these things. So we're just applying this. I submit we're applying this very effective and tried and true technology to the courtrooms.
Now, if Heuermann's attorney has it his way, he would want 5 separate trials. No ruling has been made on that. The next court date is February 18th. I also want to point out that Heuermann has been tied to these murders not just by DNA, but also cell site data, cell site records, and plenty of documents that were found on his hard drive, allegedly plotting out the murders and how he wanted to kill these women. Bianca, let's send it back to you.